This is Jonathan from Rupert & Eve Designs, and I'm here today to show you how to set up and use your new RNDI Active Direct Box. You want to plug a balanced XLR cable into the back of the RNDI. The other end will go into your microphone preamp, your interface, or mixer. You want to turn on 48-volt phantom power because that's how the active RNDI gets its power. The blue LED will come on and light and let you know that you have phantom power. Plug your source into the RNDI, and this could be a bass, an electric guitar, a keyboard, a synth, or even an amplifier. If you're using an instrument with a passive pickup, you probably want to use as short a cable as possible. If you're using something with an active pickup or a keyboard, you can of course use longer cables. If you want to feed an instrument amp or maybe an external pedal board, plug a 1/4-inch cable into the through on the RNDI. If you want to take a DI from the output of either your bass amp or your guitar amp, first switch the RNDI into speaker mode. Then plug the output of the amplifier into the input of the RNDI and use the through jack to feed the speaker or load that you're using. This is a really great way to get the actual sound of your amplifier or a pedal board or your whole signal chain. But remember, most speakers have a frequency response that looks kind of like this, so you may want to roll off some high frequencies or low frequencies from your DI signal. Experiment with either trying equalization or a speaker emulator in your software. If you're taking a DI on a tube amplifier, it is extremely important that you make sure that you have your speaker hooked up or an appropriate load, or you can cause damage to both the tubes and or output transformer. Some fun things to use your RNDI on include a bass guitar, an electric guitar, an acoustic guitar, and of course any kind of keyboard. However, another fun thing that you can do is run the output of your interface straight into the RNDI because it'll take plus 21.5 dBm level without a pad. You can use this with literally anything with a 1/4-inch output, and the RNDI in the speaker mode will handle up to 1000 watts. If you're experiencing 60 cycle hum, either in your microphone preamp, your interface, mixer, or if you're using the through to an external amplifier, we suggest that you lift the ground on the back of the RNDI. If that doesn't solve the problem, we suggest that you leave the RNDI grounded. You can learn more about all our gear at rupertandeve.com, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Now it's time for you to enjoy your new RNDI.